Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, which provides geography videos to students and teachers across the UK, which all have a focus on geographical content and exam skill for Key Stage 3, GCSE and A-Level. In this video, I will explain how scientists know that the global climate is getting warmer. The three most significant pieces of evidence I will explain are: number 1, the melting of ice. Number 2, rising sea levels. And lastly, number 3, seasonal changes. From the vast ice sheets in the Arctic to the mountain glaciers in South America, from the mountain ice in Europe to the ice fields of Antarctica, our global glaciers and sea ice are melting at a frightening pace. It is this rapid melting of ice globally in various locations that indicates to scientists that our global climate is warming up. If our glaciers continue to melt and retreat at the current rate, it is estimated that by 2050, our global glaciers will have completely disappeared. Our global sea ice has thinned by 70% since 1970 and shows no signs of slowing up. The second indicator that our climate is warming up is rising sea levels. As our sea ice melts, there is an increase in ocean surface. It is this dark surface of the oceans that absorbs more heat from the sun. As the oceans absorb more heat, the particles within the ocean expand. It is this process of thermal expansion that causes our sea levels to increase. There are numerous low-lying coastal locations around the world, such as the Maldives, Bangladesh, and the port city of Alexandria in Egypt, and many other locations that have been impacted by the rising sea levels, affecting millions of people globally. The third indicator that our climate is heating up is seasonal changes. Studies have shown that seasonal events, such as trees blossoming, have started to happen earlier in the year. Flowers and plants that historically would come out in the late stages of spring are now starting to come out in the early stages of spring. Of course, these changes are not conclusive that the climate is warming up, but it does suggest and indicate that maybe our planet is becoming warmer. Is climate change a reality or a myth? Is a global warming climate a truth or fake news? This has always been a highly political, debated question within many societies around the world. Although the evidence I have outlined in this video may not be fully conclusive that our climate is warming up, and there are many scientists and politicians around the world who believe that climate change does not exist, the evidence I have outlined in this video does strongly suggest that there are changes happening to our climate. Thank you for watching my video on the evidence of climate change. I hope it does support you in your geography lessons. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for many more videos just like this, which will provide support and guidance through your geography, GCSE or A-level.